Hey everybody, we're starting a new project. We will make a parking lot just for the car 6 by 5 meters. Here we have a big problem with gradients. There's a high point, there's a low point, and the difference is about 1 meter. We'll need a lot of backfill here. It's going to take a lot of backfill, because you can't make such a crooked parking lot. I want to make it beautiful. I want to spend 4 days on the object according to the plan. Challenge accepted. For the breakdown we need tape measure, leveler, rail for leveling, tripod, construction level, threads, hammer, and more rebar. Here the difference is 40 centimeters, not so much. Let's see there. From this point to that point, there's a difference of 37 centimeters. So from here to there, it's 80 centimeters. I've set the sash. The diagonals are aligned. It's hard to do it alone. It takes a long time. You need someone to hold the other edge. Otherwise, you have to hold one edge of the tape measure. If it doesn't fit, you have to recheck it again. Now I'll set the heights. I'll make a 0 there, and then I'll adjust it. Here I'll make 10 centimeters of slope, and here 5. It will turn out like this. This is the level we need to make the parking lot to make the plane more or less even. We brought the first 20 tons of sand and gravel mixture. I, of course, dreamed that they would send everything to me there. I'll just level it up and that's it. But there was no way. It's brutal. I've poured it here. Now I'll level this layer so I can drive a vibratory plate. And then I'll pour more to compact it in several stages. Otherwise, it won't work in one stage. Compaction. Here's the embankment for the curbs already in place. This is the level it's going to be. The cement is here. I will make concrete and put the curbs and later produce sand. It's the morning of the third day. Now I will throw the rest of the sand into the base for laying tiles. Well, that's how it is. The rough preparation of the base is ready. Now I will work vibroplate and will lay paving tiles. I will now be doing a cement sand mix screed over the whole area at once and laying paving tiles. Let's go. I spread out the cement and sand mixture. I set up the 2 rails. Now I'll level this part, then the next. That's the way it goes. One piece, then the next.